Hello, hello. Welcome to Auledge. So once again, Auledge is a platform for everyday creators and content. And on this platform, you can be a listener as well as a creator. So I'm just going to start off with the listening experience first. So here, as soon as you get into the application, the first page you see is the home screen. And on the top, you can see a list of people that you follow. And then on the bottom here in the Explore section, you can see a personalized feed of different episodes by other everyday creators on the platform. So we can see here if we press on this girl, Claire. So this is some everyday creator that we onboarded yesterday, actually. She seemed to have an amazing time recording on Auledge, and so she made 4 different things. They seem to have caught on fire. So we can actually play one of those
Hey,
things.
Auledge. I
So
just
for
got.
instance, this audio, we can pull up this modal here and see different typical controls for a podcast player. That's pretty much the listening experience. Now, for everyday creators on the other side, you'd want to press this plus button in the bottom, and that takes you to a projects page. So here you can see that actually 18 hours ago, I made a project called Meta Friends and Why It'll Happen. So we can press in that project to see kind of what's in it. And so in this screen, you can see the recorder. And so on here, you can see the script that I used. I planned out exactly what it is I want to say. And then I used the recorder below to actually record my podcast. I can switch over to the editor tab here to see a list of segments because, of course, I didn't record all of this in one go. I recorded it bit by bit, so you can see these named segments. I can even press in one of these to pull up that segment and see the corresponding waveform for that segment.
I'd argue that
I can play it. I can trim it if I want. I can also remove different parts of it. So if I have some ums here and there, I can choose to remove those. And then we also ship with a denoise feature as well. This is really important because for everyday creators, they don't have access to a high quality microphone that production grade studios might have, because these microphones cost a few $100s, and maybe that's not the level of investment that a lot of them are willing to take, right? And so our tools come with this denoise feature. So yeah, that's the listening experience. We can close that, and once we're happy with the segments that we're working with, we can hit next here. It'll stitch these segments together. We can give it a title and publish it. And so kind of going back here, once again, I just want to emphasize that with Auledge, we make the production and distribution experience for everyday creators much better. We provide creators the tools to easily create podcasts. Those podcasts get discovered in this personalized feed that gives much more equal opportunity of discovery compared to platforms like Spotify. Because if you go on a platform like Spotify, you'll see that the front pages are just full of big name podcasts, and it's super difficult for everyday creators to get any form of visibility. And on top of that, we also ship with this RSS feature too, and this is part of our effort to help everyday creators with distribution too. So essentially, we generate an RSS link for you, we host your content, and what this means is that you can create your podcast on Auledge, and you can publish it here, and that content can also be distributed automatically to hundreds of others of podcasting applications too. So in effect, this application, Auledge, is all you need, and it simplifies the whole end-to-end process for everyday creators trying to break into podcasting a lot. So that's a little bit of kind of a short tour of Auledge, and I hope you liked it.